Imagine you can have a powerful email marketing platform that could help you grow your business faster at no cost for 30 days. Hey everyone, it's Danny Dover here, and today I'm going to show you how to get a free trial of GetResponse, an all-in-one email marketing platform that can help you build your email list, create stunning landing pages, and automate your marketing campaigns. I used to struggle to grow my email list and get people to open my emails, but then I started using GetResponse and everything changed. Within a few months, I was able to double my email list and increase my open rates by 20%. And it's not just me. GetResponse has helped over 1 million businesses grow their email lists and increase their sales. How does GetResponse work? GetResponse is a comprehensive email marketing platform that offers a wide range of features, including email marketing. Create and send beautiful emails to your subscribers with GetResponse's easy-to-use email editor. Landing page builder. Create stunning landing pages that convert visitors into subscribers and customers. Marketing automation. Automate your email marketing campaigns so you can save time and focus on other things. Webinars. Host live and on-demand webinars to engage with your audience and generate leads. E-commerce marketing. Integrate GetResponse with your e-commerce platform to send abandoned cart emails, product recommendations, and more. To get a free trial of GetResponse, simply click link in the video description and you will be directed to your free trial for 30 days. You'll be able to use all of GetResponse's features for 30 days at no cost. If you're looking for a powerful and affordable email marketing platform, I highly recommend GetResponse. And the best part is you could try it for free for 30 days. So click the link in the description below to sign up for your free trial today. GetResponse is a powerful email marketing platform that can help you grow your business faster. It's easy to use, affordable, and effective. So if you're looking for an email marketing platform that can help you take your business to the next level, I highly recommend GetResponse. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, feel free to let me know as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.